There you go, guys. First fish for Captain Chris, first kokanee. Yeah. I am JU. You are the nation.
You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Oh my goodness. Fish on! Woo! Right on. Woo! Hey man, we were supposed to run into a school of them, guys. Already got a double right there. Quick, keep on reeling, keep on reeling. Keep on reeling. Slowly, slowly, not too fast. Or they're gonna come out. Yeah. Oh man, right off the bat. First pass, double hooked up. Woo! Let's see who can bring it in. Here, flip yours in. Bring it in. Slowly bring it in. Yeah! Right on. You just give us it in. There you go, guys. First fish for Captain Chris, first kokanee. Show us what you got him on there. What you got him on there? Oh, hey, I recognize that. The wacky minnow and the little mule kicker. Right on. Woo, I think we do hammer, right? Bam! 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 Woo! Right on, guys.
Yeah. Well, second fish, or third fish, I guess. I lost mine. Yeah, you're still on there. Yeah. Yeah. So Captain Chris's second kokanee. Yeah, there he is.
Yeah, man.
Bam, bam.
There you go.
Yeah. So I got him on the Milwaukee minnow and a mule kicker and some of my orange corn.
Yep.
And
I did.
I was 63 feet deep. So fish on there. If you want to grab the rod, down the rod here. Grab the rod.
Let me
No,
do
no.
this.
Get the
No,
fish.
for him. He gets it. He got it.
Hey, Capt, just get it. I got
Yeah. So
How you do it?
pull the rod up. Yeah. And then reel down a little bit. Reel down a little bit. Now give it a, put your thumb on the reel and give it a jerk. There you go.
That's how you do it.
Okay.
We'll just show you how to do it. All right, nice.
Still on there? Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, keep coming. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go, baby. Fish is on, guys.
Yeah.
All right, he never caught a Kokanee salmon before.
This will be his third one now. Yep, keep him coming. Oh yeah, that's on a. Yeah, okay. Yeah, keep coming. Gotta flip him in. Oh.
But it's
Kokanee Cowboy, yeah, baby.
Bam,
Bam,
bam.
Nice
So,
Cowboy, check it
and
out.
look at
spin
that.
fish, which hard to believe we ever catch a kokanee.
I don't think so. It's hard to
And
tell.
then the Kokanee Cowboy, that's a sockeye one, isn't it?
Yes, okay.
Yeah. And JU was, how deep were you on that one, JU?
That was 60 feet.
60 feet. So they're 60 feet deep today. And I got to get my line baited up and get back in the water.
Here you go, guys. This is a sockeye Kokanee Cowboy Dodger. And Captain Chris's third fish. And there it is, guys. Woo! Smack on a kisser. Yeah, right on, guys. I saw your laughing rod dance a little bit. Yep. Is it on, right? Yep, just put it in that rod. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a rod. What happened? There's missing a rod. Fish on, baby. Might even get double, man. Who knows? Yeah, might even get double. Get on. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, baby. Whoa! Yeah, that's a hammer, brother. Bam, bam. Look at that. You can recognize that. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go. Oh. Good day, nation. It's JU, Kokanee Cowboy hat. Thank you, Trent Smith. Once again, today I'm with my brother Warren, which you already know. I'm at Bullards Bar. And we are just, I didn't have time to do the intro because right off the bat, my brother Warren got a double takedown. Today I got a special guest for you guys. Check him out, guys. My good brother, Captain Chris. Yeah. I really wanted to get him on the first coat. And thank you to this man right here. We got him today, guys.
Yeah, and he's second and he's third.
That's right. And I brought my counter with me, guys. So we won't, we're going to try to get 30 by the end of the day, I hope. So 4, and finally got a chance to do an intro for you guys. So stay tuned with us. We got a lot of cool things going down. Got a mute kicker going down. You know what? I went back to my tuna field spin fish. I used my Kokanee Cowboy sockeye Dodgers. But Warren and I will try everything. We're gonna find the right depth and find the right combo. Stay tuned, guys. Now they disappeared. They went to swim somewhere.
Person might be right there.
Yeah. Oh, fish on, right? See, look. This is how it is. See, see how the thing
that's it.
rock?
Okay, that's
That's
like
fish
that.
on. Bounces like that. Oop. Oh, Right, it's a good fish, guys. We're just talking about where the fish go, and I think here they are.
Haven't got to them yet.
There he is. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
JU
Oh, ooh, that's a fatty one, guys.
JU
Okay, yeah, but bam, bam. Here you go, guys.
Got him on a
Oh, there he goes.
That's
a
it.
water minnow and a mule kicker.
Yeah, and I get to do my clicker.
Yeah.
Number 5. I thought I saw him got one little bite, but we'll see. We'll see if he's still on there or not. Oh, he's still on there. All right, see? That's why I thought this is why I only saw him. Hey, gee, you bam, bam. I said, hey, I think you got a fish on. You got a rod band, guys. I think you got a fish on, guys. Boom. Fish on, baby. And you know what? This might be my first fish of the year. Yeah, baby.
First fish of the day.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's holding good.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, baby. Oh, it's holding good. Look at that. Look at the rod, guys. Whoa! Look at that rod bend. Look at that. Look at the way it bounces, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, man, you don't want to give up yet. This one's got about 70 feet, guys. 70 feet deep. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, it's still pulling good. And this might be the first limit of the day, guys. First limit of the day. Let me see. We got 9 right now in the ice box, right there.
Oh, it's a good one, too.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's a nice size one, guys. There you go. Oh, yeah. First fish of 2024. Oh, maybe the biggest one of the day, guys.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
Hey, Chris, you got yours. Chris, you got one on.
Chris.
Double. Look at that, baby. Oh, it's a trout.
No, it's cooking.
Oh, it's the biggest coconut of the day. Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Bam.
Bam.
Hey, your rod is
You
on.
got
It's
one
a
on.
double. We got a double.
Okay, we think JU might have a little guy. We've been fooled before. Nothing?
Oh, man.
Yeah, JU was telling me he didn't have a fish.
I hooked up, man. Look at this, guys. And this thing, bam. Wow. You got, I've been tracking him so long. Look at it, he's dead already.
Yeah, we better
Look how long I've
keep
been tracking him. I'll keep on. Fish on? Fish on, baby.
Yeah, fish on.
Woo!
Okay, JU's hooked up again. Shrimp thing. Still got him on there? Yeah. Probably another dinker.
So small.
Yeah, he's still there. Yeah.
Look at that. Man, this thing is getting hot now.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother. Bam, bam. Another one once again. Look at this. Hey, that's why it's bam, bam. Woo! Look at that. Something is, man. Hey Nation, it's JU. Wow. Once again, what a fantastic day it is here at the Bullards Bar with my brother Warren right there and my big brother Captain Chris. I have a couple of goals today, guys, to get my brother Captain Chris on the first go. And I know the guy to do it is that guy. and yeah, the other one is I want to get a limit for all of us, and today we did get a limit, 30 of them. A fantastic day, guys. Just to recap, watch his stuff and he'll probably give you a lot more detail. But ultimately, we're driving about 1.3, 1.4 miles an hour. The bottom, at the end of the day, Mule Kicker and that little Milwaukee lure or Arctic lure is the way to go. I did get a couple, me, I always try stuff. I did get a couple of stuff that, on the stuff I bought. So check out my video to find out what it was, right? As always, guys, a lot of good fishing video out there. I do appreciate you guys coming to check out our channel. Until the next time, peace out, everybody. Woo! Bam!
Fish on.